Hi students, let's study classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now, last time we had studied what are haloalkanes and haloarenes. Just in 1 second, I am summarizing. Haloalkanes are those compounds in which one or more hydrogen is being replaced, like your haloalkanes RH. One or more hydrogen is replaced by one or more halogen, then they are giving you haloalkanes. These are termed as haloalkanes. Similarly, in aryl halides, haloarenes, you will find in arenes one or more hydrogen is replaced by equal number of halogen and you are getting aryl halides, that is haloarenes. This we have studied in detail last time. We are going to study about their classification. Let's study classification. So first classification is based on the type of the hydrocarbon. Based on type of the hydrocarbon. Now you know what are hydrocarbons? Compounds of carbon and hydrogen, and in that we had studied 3 categories in class 11 or in GOC, that is alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So here on the basis of type of hydrocarbons, these halogen containing compounds are classified as aliphatic halogen containing compounds. Means these are generally termed as halogen containing compounds. These halogen containing compounds are of 2 categories, classified into 2 categories. One is aliphatic halogen containing compound. Aliphatic halogen containing compound. Another is aromatic halogen containing compound. Means aliphatic halogen containing compounds have the aliphatic hydrocarbon, and aromatic halogen containing compounds have aromatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic you have studied alkane, alkene and alkyne, है ना? तो here alkane, alkene and alkyne containing halogens, and here arene, that is benzene, naphthalene. In those compounds containing halogen, then they will be haloarenes. So let us see in detail. First, aliphatic halogen containing compounds. These halogen containing compounds, simple classification: aliphatic halogen containing compounds. These aliphatic halogen containing compounds can be categorized into 3: haloalkanes, haloalkynes and haloalkenes. First we will see haloalkenes, then haloalkynes. Haloalkanes. Let us see haloalkanes. They are also called as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, commonly called as alkyl halides. These alkyl halides or haloalkanes are obtained by when one or more hydrogen of alkane, like CH4, one hydrogen is replaced by one Cl, then it is CH3Cl. So one or more hydrogen is replaced by equal number of halogen, then they are formed. These haloalkenes are formed. This is chloromethane. Similarly, you can have dichloromethane if two hydrogens are replaced. Dichloromethane. If three hydrogens are replaced, trichloromethane. If four hydrogens are replaced, then trichloromethane or tetrachloromethane. So when one hydrogen replaced, one chlorine will be attaching. Two hydrogens are replaced, two chlorine, that is two halogen. Any two halogens will be replacing it. So when three halogen replace four halogen, means number of halogen attaching to the hydrocarbon will be equal to the number of hydrogen being replaced. So here haloalkenes, you see more examples for haloalkenes. Let us see. Let us see more examples for haloalkenes, like CH3, CH2, Br, bromoethane. One hydrogen of ethane is replaced by one bromine, bromoethane. CH3, CHI, CH3. This is iodopropane. 2 iodopropane. If CH3, CHI, CH2, Br. Now 1 bromo, 2 iodopropane. So we can have number of examples from this category. Okay. Now another category of aliphatic halogen containing compounds, that is haloalkenes. What are these haloalkenes? You know haloalkenes have one double bond. Alkenes always have one double bond. So double bonded compounds like C double bond C. Now suppose here H is there and here Cl is there. So this is CH2, Cl, and here CHCl. So you see here this is chloroethene. This is CH2. CHCl, CH3. Suppose two hydrogens are replaced. So here 2 bromo, 2 chloro, 5 bond हो गए एक में. Let us see. It has 5 bonds. So now it is 2 chloro propane, CH3 propene, CH3 CH 2CH double bond CH2 Br, bromo butene, CHBr, bromo butene. So all those alkenes which have one or more hydrogen replaced by halogen atom, they are called as haloalkenes. We will be seeing further their classification in another category. Now let us see third halogen containing aliphatic halogen containing compounds are haloalkynes. Haloalkynes. Now here alkynes are triple bonded compounds, and here hydrogen is replaced by suppose one halogen atom, one or more halogen atom, then it is fluoroethyne. Now if you see here CH3 H CH2 F, then it is fluoro 1, 2, 3. 3-fluoro propane ethyne. C triple bond C, Br here, C here, Cl. So bromo, 1 bromo, 2 chloro ethyne. So when one or more hydrogen are replaced by equal number of halogens, then we get haloalkynes. So in aliphatic halogen containing compound we had studied haloalkanes, haloalkenes and haloarenes. Now let us see aromatic halogen containing compounds. They are called as haloarenes. They are called as haloarenes because aromatic hydrocarbons are what? Arenes. So they are also called as haloarenes and commonly called as alkyl halides. Aryl halides. Aryl halides. Let us see examples. First they are categorized into two. Number one, nuclear halogen derivatives. That is, here benzene ring itself is having hydrogen replaced by halogen. So nuclear halogen derivatives. Another side chain halogen derivative. First we will see nuclear halogen derivative. Nuclear means here benzene ring is said to be nucleus. So here benzene ring itself, arene ring itself contains the halogen, and that means hydrogen is replaced by halogen, that is from arene ring itself. So first we will see nuclear halogen derivatives. Means nuclear haloarenes. We can say them nuclear haloarenes. So you see nuclear haloarenes like chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Bromobenzene. Obviously, if you are getting fluorine derivative, that is fluorobenzene, iodine derivative will be iodobenzene. We can have compounds like this also. Suppose it is having methyl group at one position and chlorine at another position. This is known as, the name of this compound is chlorotoluene. You know very well that a benzene ring with CH3 is known as toluene, and since it is first position, this one is second position, so it is 2-chlorotoluene. 2-chlorotoluene. Methyl benzenes are always called as toluene. Suppose you have here this Cl at fourth position. Suppose you are having here CH3 here. Let us see another example. Another example for nuclear haloarene. For example, you are having here one Cl, another Cl. So the name of this compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Now beta, always remember that 1,2 position. Whenever you are having 1,2 position, then it is ortho. 1,4 para and 1,3 is meta. So this is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Now you see here, suppose you are having CH3Cl, so it is 2-chlorobenzene or 2-chlorotoluene or orthochlorotoluene. Now here if you are having this, at this already example we have seen, this is Cl here, so it is 4-chlorotoluene. So 1,4 position is always called as para-chlorotoluene. So this is also called as para-chlorotoluene. So we can have, when we are having directly attached our halogen atom to the nuclear ring, then it is said to be nuclear haloarine. Now let us see the examples of side chain halogen derivatives. Side chain halogen derivatives, another category of haloarenes. When you are having halogen attached to the side chain of the arene ring, aromatic hydrocarbon, side chain halogen derivative. Hydrogen is replaced by one or more hydrogen is replaced by hydrogen is replaced by equal number of halogen from the side chain, not from the main arene ring. So you see the example here, like this is CH3Cl. So here you see Cl is not attached to the benzene ring, it is attached to the methyl group, CH2 carbon. So what is the name of this compound? Chlorophenyl methane. This is chlorophenyl, this is methane, CH3 is methane. So one carbon compound it is. Then when you are having side chain, then it will be called as phenyl, not benzene. So chlorophenyl methane. The name of compound is chlorophenyl methane. Commonly called as, common name is there benzyl chloride. Common name is benzyl chloride. When you are having like this, two hydrogen of side chain are replaced, CHCl2. Two hydrogens of side chain are replaced by two chlorine. Then it is what dichlorophenyl methane. Dichlorophenyl methane. Only there will be dichlorophenyl methane. Now common name will be different. Benzyl chloride. You all know in 11th class you have studied that such compounds are benzyl. ठीक है, this is benzyl radical. ठीक है, primary benzyl. Then this one, this is benzyl, this is benzyl, and when you are having like this is benzo. So this is benzyl chloride. ठीक है. Now if you are having like compound CCl3, so it is benzo chloride. This is primary benzyl, secondary benzyl and tertiary benzyl. So you will see this chlorophenyl methane, dichlorophenyl methane, trichlorophenyl methane. So this is benzyl chloride. If one hydrogen of side chain is replaced, then from methyl group, then benzyl chloride. From methyl group attached to the arene ring, if two hydrogen are replaced by halogen, then benzyl chloride. If all the three hydrogens are replaced, then benzo chloride. So here we have studied today one classification of haloalkanes and halorine, which is depending upon what kind of hydrocarbon is present in the halogen containing compound. In next class we will be studying about the classification depending on the number of halogen atoms and type of halogen atoms. That's all.